Hi, I'm Ethan, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own portable and modular solar charger so you can keep your devices charged on the go. Let's get started. First, I'll start with the electronics. This small circuit is a buck-boost converter. It makes charging possible by either bucking or boosting the voltage supplied by the solar panels to a constant 5-volt output. I'll push in the USB port that it came with and solder the leads on the bottom side. Then I'll do the same for the input terminal block. Here I'm using double-sided tape to adhere the verter to the back of the solar panel. As you can see, it provides a pretty sturdy mount. I cut a length of parallel wire and strip the ends that go into the terminal block before fastening them. Then I trim and strip the opposite ends to reach the output leads of the solar panel. I joined another length of parallel wire to the same leads. These will connect to another solar panel in parallel to reduce the time it takes to charge a device. The circuit will function just fine with one panel though. This is a key benefit compared to other solar chargers on the market. Next, I laid out templates for each piece of fabric that I will use to make the solar panel covers. Normally the cover would be made entirely of plastic. However, I'm using waterproof ripstop nylon to make this a slightly easier DIY project. These are the templates for the front panel, an inside divider, and the back cover. Next, I'll trace over these templates onto the fabric with a piece of chalk, then cut each piece out. I continue doing this until I have all the pieces that I need. Now it's time to sew everything together. I'll start by making the back panel. These small pieces will let a USB cable and wires go inside the panel to the circuit. I made 4 of them and sewed the edges together to create a shingled piece. Next, I will sew the edges and top and bottom pieces to the shingle. Here are the final rear panels. Now I'm rolling over the top edge of the divider panel and sewing over it. Then I join the clear vinyl of the front panel to the small top section. I also add Velcro strips for a roll top closure. These are the final panels. And the divider. Now it's time to join the panels to make the casing. I added 4 paracord loops as I sew up the edges of each case so I can clip the panels to a backpack. I'll do this to each panel as I sew up the sides, then I'll flip the whole thing inside out. As I slide the panel into its case, I run the wires through the shingle and roll the top shut. I do the same for the other panel. Here I'm using 2 push-in connectors to join the panels in parallel, then tuck the connections away in the pouch behind the main panel. Then I run a USB cable through the shingle and plug it into the converter. And now we're